English Dialogue Studio.
Daily English conversations for learners.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Dialogue Studio. I'm Emma.
And I'm Daniel. We're really happy you're here with us today.
Today's topic is very real.
Yes, today we're talking about daily problems,
Small problems.
normal problems.
The kind of problems everyone has.
Let's start with something honest.
Everyone has problems.
Late buses,
Slow internet.
too much work.
And talking about problems helps us connect.
It's not complaining, it's sharing real life.
Let's learn some very common problems.
Listen and repeat. I'm tired. I'm busy. I'm stressed.
Very simple sentences.
Very real feelings.
Many daily problems are about work or study.
You can say, I have too much work. I have a lot of homework.
Or, I'm very busy today. I'm tired.
These sentences are used every day.
Not all problems are big.
Some problems are small.
For example, my phone battery is low. My internet is slow.
Very common problems.
Yes, especially today.
You can also ask others about problems.
You can say, "What's wrong? Is everything okay?"
Very caring questions.
Repeat after me. "What's wrong? Is everything okay?" Okay, Daniel, let's show a simple conversation.
Hi, Emma. You look tired. Is everything okay?
I'm a bit tired. I have too much work today.
Oh, I understand.
Yeah, it's a long day. Quick tip.
You don't need long explanations.
Short sentences are enough.
People understand you easily.
Now it's your turn. Repeat after me. I'm very busy today. I'm tired. I have too much work.
Excellent.
Okay, Daniel, let's talk about real life.
Real life has many small problems.
For example, I'm late. My bus is late. My phone battery is low.
Very normal problems.
Very annoying problems, too.
Complaining is okay.
But we do it politely.
You can say, I have a small problem. There's a problem.
Or, this is a bit difficult. I'm having some trouble.
Soft words sound polite.
Technology problems are very common today.
You can say, my internet is slow. My phone is not working.
Or a very common one, my computer is frozen.
Everyone understands that.
When you have a problem, you can ask for help.
You can say, can you help me? I need some help.
Very polite and clear. Let's show a fun conversation.
Hey, Emma, what's wrong?
My internet is very slow today.
Oh no, that's the worst.
Yes, I can't work properly.
I hope it gets better soon.
Let's fix some common mistakes.
Mistake number 1. I am problem.
Correct sentence, I have a problem.
Mistake number 2. My internet slow.
Better sentence, my internet is slow.
Much better.
Repeat after me. I have a small problem. My phone is not working. Can you help me?
Great job.
Here's a helpful tip.
Everyone has problems.
Talking about them is normal.
And English helps you explain them clearly.
Before we finish today, let's say something important.
Everyone has problems.
Big problems.
Small problems.
You are not alone.
Some learners think talking about problems is bad.
But it's not.
Talking helps you connect.
It helps people understand you. Now, let's listen to a full conversation, slowly and clearly.
Listen first. You can repeat later.
Hey, are you okay?
I'm a bit stressed.
What's wrong?
I have too much work today.
I understand. It'll be okay.
Simple, real, supportive.
Now, let's listen again, a little faster.
Don't worry if you miss a word.
Hey, you okay?
I'm stressed. Too much work.
Yeah, I get it.
That's real English.
Here's your challenge for today.
Say one problem in English.
For example, I'm very busy today. My internet is slow.
Say it out loud.
Your voice builds confidence. If you feel shy,
That's okay.
being honest is brave.
And speaking English is progress.
If you're watching this video,
It means you are learning to express real life.
you are improving,
You are growing.
and we are very proud of you.
Now go to the comments.
Write one daily problem sentence in English.
For example, I'm tired today.
And if this lesson helped you,
Subscribe to English Dialogue Studio.
we post new English conversations every day.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.